Hi, friends. Hola, amigos. We are going to read our story, Kit's Hats. Hoy vamos a leer nuestra cuento, Kit's Hats. Say the sounds with me and put them together and say the word. Di los sonidos conmigo y júntalos y di la palabra. Remember to point to each word when you're reading. Recuerda señalar cada palabra cuando estés leyendo. All right, I'm going to start here. Kit, kits. I have to put it all together. Necesita poner todos juntos. A hat, hats, hats. The title is Kit's Hats. El título es Kit's Hats. All right. Ooh, I see a very dark letter. Un letra oscuro. This reminds us that this letter has two sounds. Este letra dice dos sonidos. When it is very dark, cuando es muy oscuro, you are going to use the other sound, la otra sonido, z. Watch me. Kit, as, has, at, hats, hats. With this letter, the letter S, it's not very dark. No es muy oscuro. So I'm going to use the first sound, el primer sonido that we learned, que aprendemos. S, hats. Kit tiene sombreros. Kit has hats. All right, now we remember that when it's dark, cuando esta letra está oscuro, we're going to use the sound z. Usamos el sonido z. Kit has big. Kit has big a hat, hats. Kit has big hats. Kit tiene sombreros grandes. Kit has. Kit has flat, a hat, hats. Kit has flat hats. Kit tiene sombreros planos. Kit has. Kit has fun. Kit has fun at hats. Kit has fun hats. Kit tiene sombreros divertidos. Good job, buen trabajo. We just read the whole story. Lea todos cuenta. Let's do a celebration, un celebración. Firework cheer, get ready, go. Shh. Good job, buen trabajo. Remember to read every night. Recuerda, leemos a todos días y noches.